Is your home approaching the age when a lot of repairs and improvements are going to be needed? If you're in a position to sell your house now and benefit from today's high demand and low inventory, I invite you to think new construction. New construction allows you to stay in your home while building your new one without the feeling of feeling displaced due to the current low resale inventory. It's also a great opportunity to own a more energy efficient home, lowering your maintenance and your bills in the long run. I am Susanna Murphy with Alante Real Estate, and our team has put together a list of all the available inventory for new construction in the South Shore and Upper Cape Cod. Let me know if you would like access to viewing that list, or if you would like to schedule a consultation to find out more about the process of selling while building a brand new home.